Good morning, students. I hope you must have completed chapter 1 and 2. But some students they face problem in finding domain and range of the functions. Okay, so I'm going to take some questions based on this topic, how to find domain and range of different functions. So I'm taking different kind of questions so that you will get a good idea how to solve these kind of questions. So first question is y equal x square plus 10. Y equal x square plus 10. Now what is the domain of this function? Domain means for what values of x, y will be real. So you can see x, you can take any real number, y will be real. So I will say what that your x belongs to R. X means you can take x any real number. So x belongs to R means domain will be your set of real numbers. Domain is equal to R for this function. So there is no restriction, no problem is there. So any value of R you can put, y will be real only, correct? Now for range I told you, you need to convert it in the form of x. So this is y equal x square plus 10. It will be your x square is equal to y minus 10. So x will be your under root of y minus 10. So for which values of y, x will be real? Okay, so you know under root cannot be negative, it will never give you that negative value. So this should be greater than equal to 0, correct or not? So y minus 10 must be greater than equal to 0. 0 also it can be, correct or not? Under root negative is your, what you get, under root negative will give you what, complex number that you have not studied yet. So you can't take it negative value, it should be for x real. X should be real. X should be real, a real number. For making it real, it should be greater than equal to 0. इसको आप negative value नहीं दे सकते हो, because under root negative is your imaginary number. It is your imaginary number, so it won't be real. ये complex number है, we will study further about this one. Okay, so ये real बनाने के लिए x को ये क्या होना चाहिए, greater than equal to 0 होना चाहिए. Clear करो इसको बेटा. तो y is greater than equal to 10, यानी जब y equal to 10 हो या greater than 10 हो तभी ये आपका रियल वैल्यू आएगा. आप पुट करके देखो, 10 minus 10 0, 11 minus 10 1. Okay, 10.5 you can take whatever real number, but y should be greater than equal to 10. तो रेंज आपकी क्या आ गई? रेंज आ गई आपकी what, closed interval 10 to infinite. 10 to this, which one, your bracket for this, which one, because 10 is included. This is your small bracket for what, that infinite is not equal. So domain is R and range is your 10 to infinite. Understood how we are always we are going to solve this one? Y equal x square plus 10. If it is not restricted, for any value of x, y is real, तो x की कौन सी वैल्यूज डाल सकते हो? टोटल रियल मीन्स माइनस इन्फिनेटिव टू इन्फिनेटिव, any value you can put, y will be real. So domain is what, set of real numbers. अब आपको जब रेंज निकालना है तो you will be converting in the form of x. अब आपने इसको अंडर रूट लिया और इसको what, it should be what, your a real number. So for which values you have checked. Now another question, second question is your this one. What is your second question? Y is equal to x square plus 6x plus 13. Now this kind of questions we will try to make it a perfect square. We will try to make it a perfect square. So what you are going to do it, x square plus 2 into 3x plus, now you see 2ab, मतलब ये 3 का स्क्वायर आना चाहिए इधर, तो 9, 13 को मैं स्प्लिट करूँगी 9 plus 4. Okay, so nothing I have done, the same equation you will be getting again back if you are going to solve, but I am going to make it a perfect square. So it will become what, that your x square plus 2 into 3x plus 3 square plus 4. So y will become what, your a plus b whole square, मतलब क्या हो जाएगा, x plus 3 whole square plus 4, correct or not? Now again you see here for this function x, any value you will be putting, it will be giving you real number, y will be real number. तो x क्या हो गया, x belongs to set of all real numbers, मतलब डोमेन आपका क्या हो गया, डोमेन set of all real numbers. Now comes to range. तो range में what is the first step, I need to convert in the form of x. So I will be doing y minus 4 is equal to x plus 3 whole square, correct or not? The whole square is this one, so what it is, your x plus 3 y minus 4 equal x plus 3 whole square. So x plus 3 will be what? Your under root of y minus 4. So you know that it should be positive. Okay, to make it a real number it should be positive. So what that y minus 4 should be what? Greater than equal to 0. तो y की वैल्यू क्या होनी चाहिए आपकी? Greater than 4. Of course 4 you can include equal to 4, मतलब 4 include कर सकते हो because it will be equal to 0. तो y क्या हो गया? y की वैल्यू हो गई आपकी 4 to infinite. Okay, closed interval here because 4 is included. 4 is, so range is what? Your 4 to infinite. That is your 4 to infinite. I hope you must have understood. Quadratic you are going to change into a perfect square and you are going to solve this kind of question. This kind of understood. More question is there. This is your fx equal, this one means y equal 3x plus 1 by 2x minus 1. Now this kind of question I need to say y should be real. For each x y should be real. Y should be real. So you know when denominator is 0, y will not be real number. It is not defined. It should not be equal to 0. So 2x minus 1 should not be equal to 0. So what that your 2x should not be equal to 1, x is should not be equal to half. मतलब x को half के equal नहीं करना है, it will become 0. You put here half, that is 1 minus 1 0. So x should not be except this half value. This is defined for all. So I will be saying domain is what? Domain is your r minus 1 element. Which element? Half. Which element you have to take it out because half पे it becomes 0. So it will not be defined. Your function will not be defined. So you have to remove this one. So that is your domain. Now for range, I have to what? I have to y equal 3x plus 1, 2x minus 1. I have to convert into x. So I will cross multiply. It will become 2xy minus y equal 3x plus 1. I have to convert into x. So you take 2xy transpose here minus 3x is equal y plus 1. Take out x common. 2y minus 3 equal y plus 1. X will become your y plus 1 by 2y minus 3. Now for which value of y x is not real? It should not be 0. So 2y minus 3 should not be equal to 0. So what that? Y should not be equal to 3 by 2. Means except this element x will be real. X will be real. So range में क्या नहीं आना चाहिए? Range में 3 by 2 element should not come. So range will be your all real numbers, but which element is excluded? 3 by 2. Okay, so domain is this one and range is this one. Okay, that is your the way to solve this kind of question when it comes in the rational function px by qx. Correct or not? Okay, now you say under root 36 minus x square. Actually this question I have explained previous video also, so I am leaving it for you. Solve yourself, and if any problem I will be sending you the solution. Okay, but I am going to explain this one 1 minus this one. So yours it is y 1 minus mod x minus 1. Okay, so you are going to say x का कोई भी वैल्यू पुट करें y रियल आएगा. yes, रियल आएगा. आप कुछ भी वैल्यू पुट करो यहाँ पे x पे, कोई कंस्ट्रेंट नहीं है, कोई रेस्ट्रिक्शन नहीं है. सो यू विल बी सेइंग x बिलोंग्स टू r. मतलब डोमेन क्या हो गया? डोमेन हो गया सेट ऑफ रियल नंबर्स. set of real numbers. But how I am going to find out your range? So I will be converting it. It will be mod x minus 1 is equal to 1 minus y. ट्रांसपोज कर दिया मैंने. करेक्ट और नॉट? अब mod x minus 1 यानी mod तो हमेशा क्या होता है? mod is always will give you value of greater than equal to 0. mod की वैल्यू हमेशा क्या होगी? greater than equal to 0. यानी आपका क्या होगा? 1 minus y should be greater than equal to 0. यानी 1 should be मतलब y क्या होना चाहिए? लेस देन इक्वल टू 1. देन ओनली इट विल कम ग्रेटर देन इक्वल टू 0. यू नो mod कांट बी नेगेटिव एनी टाइम. सो दिस शुड बी वॉट? योर ग्रेटर देन इक्वल टू 0. मतलब 1 माइनस वाई की वैल्यू क्या होनी चाहिए? ग्रेटर देन इक्वल टू 0. मतलब y शुड बी लेस देन इक्वल टू 1. तो आपका रेंज क्या हो गया? रेंज इज आपका 1 इज y इज लेस देन इक्वल टू 1. मतलब माइनस इन्फिनेटिव टू 1. माइनस इन्फिनेटिव टू 1 इज इंक्लूडेड. ओके, गॉट अंडरस्टूड? What I did first, so range domain is the same. Any value x you put, it will become a real number. Yes, so I can put any set of real number. Domain is your set of. But what is that? Mod x minus y equal 1 minus y. So mod x minus 1 is greater than equal to 0. Hope you have understood because y mod is always positive. तो यानी कि ये आपका आना चाहिए. तो y क्या है? यानी कि y की वैल्यू 1 से आप कम लेके देखो बेटा. 1 से कम मतलब आपने 0 लिया तो आपका पॉजिटिव आ रहा है, और 1 से ज़्यादा लो आप तो क्या 2, 1 माइनस 2 नेगेटिव, तो मॉड तो नेगेटिव आएगा ही नहीं, तो वो हमको एक्सक्लूड करना पड़ेगा. दैट इज़ नॉट इंक्लूडेड इन रेंज. आई कांट टेक ग्रेटर देन 1 वैल्यू. यू कैन चेक. यस.